how surgical robot mimic the human hands. So it will come with the DOF, that is called the degree of freedom in a surgical robot. So what is degree of freedom? So the degree of freedom is like the distinct independent parameter that define the movement configuration of a mechanical instrument. So we will use the surgical instrument. So in the number of way we can be able to manipulate the surgical instruments. So that is called the degree of freedom. Okay. So it will give the unmatched dexterity. So more degree of freedom translate directly to the super flexibility, maneuverability, and the surgical precision into the tight location. Okay. And basically it will do the human mimicry. So advanced surgical robot perfectly mimic the human wrist movements to operate effectively inside of a confined anatomical target. Okay. So basically it will comes with the 7 degree of freedom. Okay. So most of the surgical robot either it will comes with a 6 to 7 degree of freedom. Okay. The first one is a XYZ. Okay. So it's like we have 3 axes. So that will be achieved by the up and down movements, left, right, and in and out movements of the hand controller. Okay. So it will use to locate the target tissue. Okay. And then the 3 degree of freedom, it will comes with the roll, pitch, roll, roll, pitch, and yaw movements of the hand controller. So it will mirror the human wrist rotation for adaptive angle of approach. Okay. And the 1 degree of freedom, that is for the grasping. So it will use to grasp the tissue or the needle or the switcher during the time of the switching. Okay. So how it actually works? So the yaw movements, it will act as a x-axis movements, and the pitch movements is for the z, and the in and out movement is for the y-axis. Okay. And if you see the human hands, so this flexion and extension movements will work as a wristed yaw. Okay. And the pitch movements is like the radial deviation of our wrist is called the pitch movements. Okay. And then there is a roll. We can be able to roll our uh, human hand, so that we will be for the rotation, and the end of the day we can be able to grab something with the help of our finger. So that is called the grasping. Okay. So the more degree of freedom will give the more precision in a surgical robot. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Okay. If you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you.